Welcome to the final module. Can you believe how far you've come? When you started, you had an idea rattling around in your head. Now you have clear goals, customer understanding, financial planning, and a marketing strategy. Today, we're going to show you how to use AI to create a comprehensive business plan document and then create a roadmap for the next 90 days to turn all the planning into reality. Look at what you've accomplished. You've got clear goals. You understand your customers. You know what to charge. You've got a professional one-page summary, and you know where to find customers. A brilliant plan only creates value when you put it into action. Today, we're taking everything you've built and turning it into both a comprehensive business plan document and your action plan to get started. Now that you have all the pieces, AI can help you expand everything into a comprehensive document. You can ask AI to take each element of your information and your one-page summary and expand them into detailed paragraphs. Try prompts like, take my business summary and expand the marketing section into a detailed 2-page plan. Or, help me create a comprehensive financial section based on my cost and pricing research. You can also use AI in deep research mode to add even more depth and credibility to your plan. You can ask it to research industry trends, create detailed competitor analysis, or add supporting statistics. Try research current trends in your service industry and how they might affect my business, or create a detailed risk analysis for my business plan, including potential challenges and mitigation strategies. These turn your plan into something truly comprehensive. Why 90 days for implementation? Because it's long enough to get proper momentum, but short enough to stay focused and motivated. In 90 days, you can set up your business, start your marketing, get your first customers, and build the foundation for longer term success. Steady progress towards your goals. Think of the next 90 days in 3 simple phases. Days 1 to 30 is get legal and visible, sort out the official side and start your marketing. Days 31 to 60, find your first customers, actively promote your service and book your first jobs. Days 61 to 90, build and improve, deliver great service, gather feedback, and refine everything based on what you learn. Let's get specific about your first week, because that's when momentum really matters. Contact the Department of Enterprise about grants and support. Set up your business legally, company formation or sole trader registration. Open a business bank account. Create your basic marketing materials. Set up your social media profile and tell your personal network you're starting. That's it, 1 week to go from plan to actual business. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Every successful business started with someone taking a first step, probably feeling nervous. And you're not doing this alone. You've got the Department for Enterprise, local business networks, your bank, AI tools for daily tasks, and your own solid research to guide you. That's an incredible foundation. AI doesn't stop being useful once you've done your planning. You can use it for many ongoing operations, helping you write professional emails to potential customers, coming up with ideas for social media content, drafting responses to inquiries, planning your weekly tasks, expanding your business plan as you grow, and even practicing difficult conversations. You've learned to use AI as a planning partner. Now use it as your business operations partner too. Congratulations! You've just completed something that lots of people never do, turning a vague business idea into a clear, actionable plan. And you know how to expand it into a comprehensive business document. Download your 90-day action plan, templates, and comprehensive business plan prompts. Then start scheduling your first week's tasks. Your business journey starts here, and I'm genuinely excited to see what you'll achieve.